mathematics ABC. Okay, so we have simultaneous equations leading to the quadratic. Okay, so this is the equation, is from Jamb question, copied from Jamb question paper. This is the equations. Transfer it here, like we say, copy down. It's the same thing. This is equation 1, this is 2. It's the same thing here, just copy down. So we have step 1 in equation 1. Make x the subject. That is, separate x from y. Y will cross over this side as 5 minus y. This is this, which is x. That's our equation 3. Now, step 2, replace x in equation 2. In this equation 2 here, look at equation 2, replace this x. You will have 5 minus y squared, because here is squared. This is x here, squared, to replace it. Then minus 2y squared, minus 2y squared equals 1, equals 1. Okay, that is our equation 4 now. So we have remove bracket. Okay, let's show you how we remove bracket. Let's see it here. We lifted this value, look at it, to be able to remove bracket. We lifted it down here, look at it. And it means to expand it now, it's expansion, to mean it is this times itself. So 5 times 5, 25. 5 times minus y is minus 5y. Minus y times 5 is minus 5y. Minus y times minus y is plus y raised to power 2. Now simplify again, bring down 25, and then minus 5y minus 5y is minus 10y. Bring down this plus y squared. Now we transfer it back to where we lifted it from. Look at it here. So the whole of this now is from here to y raised to power plus y raised to power 2, which is what we got here, to y raised to power 2. Okay, then join this, because we moved it from here, then join it as part of it, so you have this. Okay, that's what I say, join minus 2y square, it was 1 as part of equation 4. So the whole of this now is quadratic equation down here. Here we say minus y raised to power 2 minus 10y plus 24 equals 0. Now let's explain. How do we got 24? Because there's no 24 here. Now let's see, it is 25. Cross this 1 here. It is now minus sign. That is minus 1 equals 0 here. So 25 minus 1 here is 24 plus 24 equals 0. So here we have bring down minus 10. Then here is y squared minus 2y squared is to give us minus 1 y squared minus y squared. You know, this is 1 y squared, but we don't write 1 y squared, and this is 2y squared. So 2y squared minus 1y squared will give us 1y squared, but we don't write 1. I'm just explaining it so that you understand. That's what we call it mathematics ABC. Explanation is the ABC, in ABC way. So now we have negative here. We have to eliminate negative, eliminate minus. That's where our quadratic is also being formed proper. So we have the elimination here. Cancel, minus will cancel minus to plus, plus, negative, positive. Then here, minus will cancel this minus. So this equation we have now, they are positive. Now that's when it is multiplied by minus, it will give us this. Now here we have, okay, we say simplify the last one, that's by multiplication, this thing which we have just done. So here we have what value, that's a pair, just one pair, we can multiply to give us 20 minus 24. And when we subtract it, it will give us plus 10y or plus 10. So that value is plus 12 minus 2. 12 times minus 2 is minus 24. Okay, Then 12 minus 2 will give us plus 10y. They are all y. The between values here, the two values are actually why it is referring to y is because of this 10. So anything we got here, this minus this is y here. So 12 minus 2 is y, to 10y plus 10y because it's 10 plus here, positive. And here is already. So we can now put them in brackets, pair them up. We say factorize, pair them up. So when you pair them up, bring the ones that are common. Y is common here, y, bring out 1. Here, 2 is common, even number, bring out 2. So we choose the ones outside as one pair, y minus 2 as one pair equals 0. Y minus 2 is 0. Look at it, y minus 2 is 0. Or y plus 12 equals 0. So here, y here, cross minus 2 here, it will give you 2. Y equals 2. Cross plus 12 here, it will give you minus 12. So y equals minus 12. But we will take this positive. Now replace y equals 2. That's what they say in equation 3. Look at equation 3 here. We'll show it up here. X equals 5 minus y. Replace this y here. Look at it. 2. So the answer is 3. X is equals 3 and y equals 2. Now look at the equation 3, what it's talking about. Where we got it. X equals 5 minus y. Equation 3. Equation 3. X equals 5 minus y. Now we have got our answer as x equals 3 and y equals 2. Let's check the answer. Let's check the answer. Put 3 here. X is 3. Put 2 here. Y is 2. 3 plus 2, 5, correct. Put 3 here. Double 3, which is 3 squared. 3 times 3, 9. Minus. Put 2 here for y. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2, 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So the equation is correct. Write down. Just see how it goes.